Hi, my name is David Thompson with Dream Builder Realty Group. Is it possible that your home is actually free? Let me explain what I'm talking about. So I'm going to use some numbers as illustration here. Let's just assume you're buying a $400,000 house and that payment based on the interest rate at the time, including your taxes and insurance, your payment is $3,300. Well, your payment's going to be right around $36,000, $37,000 a year you're going to spend to live in that house. No different than the amount of money you'd spend on rent. But this $36,000, $37,000, if your home appreciates, and by the way, some years go up, some years actually do have some downturns. It has happened a couple times. And some years are flat. But typically speaking, when you look at real estate, it's 7 to 15% depending on the area that you're in. So I'm going to use 10% for the illustration here. Your payment's $36,000, $37,000. Your appreciation on a $400,000 house goes up by $40,000. So the appreciation is at least equal, if not greater, than what your payment is. So therefore, you're living for free. Compare that to rent, where you don't have an appreciation of an asset to cover your rent. So a house is actually often for free. Let's look at something else that is just as fantastic, is the fact that you don't have to pay capital gains up to certain levels when you do sell your house. Let's look at stock or any other investment. You purchase, you sell, you pay capital gains. See, there's an exemption in the tax law for a homeowner. $250,000 for a single person, $500,000 for a married couple. So that same illustration of a house that's $40,000, just assume it went up $40,000 every year for 10 years. You've made $400,000, and into your married couple, that $400,000 you're not going to end up paying capital gains on. So not only is the home for free because the payment that you make is less than the appreciation, but the amount of appreciation over a given period of time can actually be tax-free. So they don't teach you this in school, but this is the reason why people purchase real estate and they're all happy they bought a house. Look, I don't know too many people that would say, I wish I never bought my house. Everybody's happy they bought a house. So my name is David Thompson. I'm with Dream Builder Realty Group. Myself or my awesome team members would love to sit down and go over the whole buying process with you. Give us a call. My name is Dave Thompson, Dream Builder Realty Group.